Hi everyone! I went to Dollarama. If you want to see the goodies I got, and there's stuff for getting my DIY on, my crafting, my art making, and my garden, because that's what I'm really into right now. So if you want to see all the goodies I found, then stick around. Here's the part that is very crafty, and you may have seen this in the short that I made, because as soon as I got these, I thought I had to let people know. Such a good deal that this was available at Dollarama. They had the Fiskars products for heavy-duty cutting. This is a rotary cutter, ergo control, and it's great. It says it's good for thicker fabrics, batting foams, and multiple layers of fabric. And yeah, you cannot go wrong. If you didn't know this, Fiskars products have a lifetime warranty, and I've been told by the company that you do not need to have your packaging or receipt if there's ever something. So this one was also $5. It is the package opener, and I have a second pair. I've already tested them. They work great for opening those ridiculous hard plastic packagings that we get sometimes, especially if you shop at Costco. You get a lot of that. Yeah, I haven't tried the little screwdriver that's on it, but I'm sure, I don't see why it wouldn't work, but I could tell you that they work great. And also the Fiskars razor edge detail scissors rip seams and cut details. And I have a second pair because I do so much stuff. I wanted to have an upstairs pair and a downstairs pair. And I've already tried these on exactly what it says, to rip seams. And yeah, they worked great for that. And they cut very nicely. They're super sharp scissors, sharpest blades only for fabric. And they have like a little safety thingy here. So when you want to just take seams apart, it locks in place. So yeah, so $5 a piece. I thought these were a great find. And my other crafty item that I picked up were the metallic pens from Artist Series. These were $5. It says they're highly pigmented. They're metallic acrylic paint markers. They say metallic. However, I don't find they're very metallic. I've swatched them all out, so I could have made a separate video for this, but nah, I have too much going on right now. So they're great paint pens. They are paint pens. The paint is matte. I do not see the metallic in these at all. These are on some black washi tape, and this is just white index card. And I have to tell you that I don't find them metallic-y. Sorry, but I do find that the paints are great. They work well, and they're just a great paint pen. They're I mean, $5 for a set of 12, that is so much less than the Poscas, like if you want some paint pens. And this is the nib. It's a bullet nib, but it has a little point. It's not too bad. And I did a test here to see if it was easy to write with a ballpoint pen over it when it's dry. And it is. Your writing will show up. I'll show you how fine a point you could get here. See, the white one, there is one white one in there. That's, if you're careful, you can get a tiny little dot, just with the point. So there you go. Those are the crafty items that I found and that I've tried. Now for the gardening items that I purchased, that was shot in multiple segments, and that's coming up next. This part of the video is done with a voiceover because I was in my garage at the time and the pool pump was not working well, so it was too loud. This was $5. It's one of those kits to make a raised garden bed. It was the only one at my store, and I found these cool little patio tiles. They were $2 or $2.50 a piece, and I made a cute little path with those in my garden. And they're just like a plastic. I hope they last through the winter. I don't know. I also picked up these tomato cages. They're very tall, and I think they were $5 a piece. I'm trying to see there the price. I can't remember. Yeah, and they were $5, and they, oh, how tall are they? They were almost 5 feet tall, I would say. I can't remember exactly, but yeah, I bought a few of those. And here is the tomato cage, one of the tomato cages that I just purchased, that I showed in the haul. That was $3.50. And it's kind of hard to see, but there is a cage here, and I'm actually using it to hold up this rose bush, which right now is over 5 feet tall. So it is giving it quite a bit of support. Oh, there were gloves. I found these really cute gloves, nice leather gloves for $5. They feel really nice. I've worn them and they feel great. There was also these gloves by Miracle Grow, and great garden gloves, and I had to buy both. I bought both. The garden netting, I bought several of those and actually had to go back and buy more. I think those were $2, and they are great to keep my berries safe from the wildlife, and that was my goal in getting those. And also some of these pins, these anchor pins, and some plant ties that I used with the netting. So here's what I did with all the netting I bought at Dollarama. I used it to protect the strawberries I planted here. Let's see. I'll give you a little peek here. Do you see the little strawberry there? So yeah, to protect that from to protect my strawberries. There's a few more strawberries in there from the birds. So this is my strawberry patch, and I use the little zip ties here to hold the net together, because it's not, one of them is not wide enough to cover the bed. And I also use the metal, what do you call, clips, or they're like a fork or something. Can't really show you, but there's a it's really hard to see. They're down there. They're holding some of the netting in the ground. Oh, and this is also from Dollarama. I already had these. So these clips, I use that to hold the netting closed, and I can open it to go pick the berries. That. And This is my asparagus bed, and there are strawberries here, but I don't have more netting, so these will, you know, hopefully the birds won't get all the strawberries, but if they do, oh well. So, and then over here I have more netting, and it's set up to protect the blueberry bushes that I have under here. So I'd like to show you, but yeah, let's try to show you from the top here. Oh, there we go. There's some blueberries. They're still very green. So are my blueberries there. But yeah, and another clip, and there's is also twine from Dollarama. So that is what I did with all of that netting I bought. And if you're wondering, these are bamboo sticks, and Dollarama often has these, but my store didn't have them. I got these at Canadian Tire. Oh yeah, see, there they are. Right, there's the package. And while I'm outside, I just will show you some more items that come from Dollarama that I use in the garden. They were not purchased in this haul. They were purchased before, and I didn't do a video for this, but these are the really tall tomato cages that were, I believe they were $4.50. And the big poles, these big poles here, I think, yeah, the label, so these are $3, and they have a rubber doohickey here to attach. So that's ready for my tomatoes. You can see I have some really tall tomatoes there that are being supported with those big green poles. That's it. So sorry for the abrupt ending, but I lost some footage. So thank you so very much for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, stay crafty.